YouTube. I decided to pick up my phone to start off this vlog because I'm in process of editing a video and my SIM card ain't in there, so I don't feel like switching it out. So today is Vlogmas day 5 and we're going to decorate my door. I don't have many door decorations. I was supposed to buy more and I didn't, so I failed on that end. But I'm going to do with what I have. I have my wreath, I have a Christmas sign, and I have my rug. And we're also cooking dinner today. So T is making, like, he's calling it his own twist to American deli. So we're going to have fries, Philly cheesesteak, and wings. So, and he's going to use the air fryer. So I'm going to make sure I get that content in as well and get this on edited on out. And we're probably going to, I'm trying to think if I want to prank him, y'all. I'm like, do I want to prank him or do I want to do like that suspect challenge for him? Christmas, like I want it to be strictly on like how we are around like Christmas season and stuff like that. So anyway, so I'm about to, that's why I have my coat on. And Ashton is at school, so I really want to get this done before he gets back. And they should be on their way home. So it's not gonna take me that long to film this. So I'm about to get ready to walk outside. I do have my fall, like I had like this bow on the door and a rug. I already took out my other fall signs down, so I'm gonna take all of this stuff down first and then I'm gonna get ready to get started. Y'all, the sun is sunny, y'all, but I realized I need to wash this rug too. I'm mad. I don't want to put this in my washing machine. Like, what do y'all do with y'all outdoor rugs? Do y'all wash them before y'all put them up for the season? Do you like scrub it outside? I'm planning on going to the laundromat and just washing the rugs because they're very dirty. They've been outside. So I'm gonna wash those rugs and I'm gonna let them air dry. So I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. So this is the rug. Of course, I still have my big rug out here on my patio, but this is the pumpkin rug, and then this is the big rug under it. It's gonna be kind of similar like my Christmas rug. And then right here, I have my welcome sign, and I'm taking that in the house as well. Probably gonna wipe it down with some multi-purpose spray just to kind of do like a little, I won't be spraying it like that, just spraying like the paper towel and getting that down. And I already took off my rug. Yeah, I'm talking about I took off my rug, I mean my bow. I'm like, dang, I need to sweep out there. I need to sweep. Yeah, I'm about to sweep, y'all. So I'm gonna try to film myself sweeping it because I'm using my phone and not my camera. So I'm gonna do the best I can. Just like any decent human, I'm gonna move these table out the way and my chairs out the way so I can sweep everything up, y'all. Okay? We be having ashtrays out here for when people come over, and I always had it behind my welcome sign. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this swept up. I can't film it, but y'all can see how dirty this is. Like it's not cute at all. So let me get in here, and this is my outdoor room, so I really want to get this clean. Okay, so nice and clean. I went ahead and moved that sign. Now I'm gonna put up my Christmas sign. Yeah, I just love it. I really wish I could have found one that was like blue and silver, but no matter how hard I tried, I could not find one. So, Merry Christmas. Then I have my plaid rug that's gonna go underneath my Christmas mat. Isn't this cute? All right, y'all, it's down. Got some little creases in here. Wish it was bigger like my one for the fall. I'm gonna put this right on top. I mean, we're gonna make it work. It's cute. Oh, I should kind of like the size. I feel like it ain't too big. It's perfect. And you see the cherries, like the cherries on here, in here, in here. Love that. I love it, I love it, love it. Now I just have to put my wreath up. I want to add more ornaments. I don't know why I keep wanting to call them bulbs. Ornaments to my wreath. But I don't want them to fall because I'm like, the door opens up too much. I'm going to just leave it alone, y'all. Okay. All right. Got the Merry Christmas rug. Then we have Merry Christmas sign. And I'm going to put my tables back. All right, y'all, 22 days into Christmas. This is Vlogmas Day 5, so it won't be 22 days when I post this. But hey, I'm just trying to stay up to date. Let me see. Look at that Christmas tree. Just admiring my Christmas tree. Y'all, these chicken wings are smelling good. We got the mushrooms. We got the ribeye steak because we are having Philly cheesesteaks. We have the sausage rolls. We have the frozen bell peppers. You know, T gonna have the seasonings. So he getting the pot together and the pans because he's gonna get the frying and making the house smell really, really funky. Yeah, see he over here mixing it up. I taught him everything, y'all. Everything.
Girl, why you ain't doing it then?
Because I taught you. Okay.
I know how to cook.
No, I taught you.
Girl, no, you didn't.
All right, so he be doing out of cooking because I be doing out of cleaning, right? Ain't that equal parts?
Nope.
Yeah, I'm just admiring my Christmas tree. Just admiring it, y'all. Oh my God, it's almost Christmas. Some other little seasoning, y'all. Don't be scared to season, okay? I remember I used to be real scared to season. Didn't I, babe?
Mm-hmm. It can be two things, real salty or not salty.
But we don't use
Not
salt.
just playing. That's all about the seasonings you use. As long as you don't use shit, got a lot of sodium in it, should be all right.
And
You can't steal all flats, bro, because it's not that many, okay? So I'm just letting you know now, because I want flat wings too.
I don't care what he said. If I want flats, I'm gonna get the flats. You know I like flats. All right. Okay. Add the most seasoning. All right. Okay. Ooh, it smells so good.
Okay.
This is a pause play. Gotta get that grease. And if you know us, we don't really fry because I don't really play about that fried smell in my house. So I'm just gonna light some candles. And we're gonna make it smell really, really good up in here. And clean up to get all the smell out. So got the pot on. Heating it up. I want some lemon pepper seasoning. Wings. This is not lemon pepper. I just can't wait, y'all, because he was supposed to make these Philly cheesesteaks, right? Mm-hmm. And you forgot the fries.
You didn't even want the fries. What are you talking about? Like, you talking like you really wanted it or something.
All right, you right.
Exactly.
You right, I'm wrong. Okay, so we decided, because I use the air fryer, grease is nice and hot. I love the way baby's frying, y'all. I taught him so well.
You teach me nothing.
You turn on the fan? You turn it on? Yeah, get a little light. I'm surprised he has his light on, y'all. You don't want to put too much chicken in there, then it don't cook right. You want to get it a nice, crispy coat. And if you put too much chicken in there, it ain't gonna cook right.
You gotta be careful, buddy.
You spilled milk? Look at that chicken, y'all. Well, just wait till it come out. Just wait till it come out. And you always gotta make sure you use the seasonings that don't burn while you're frying. Just adjust the temperature. Cover it up. Had to come back and check on the chicken, y'all, just to make sure it's cooking correctly. Got that avocado blend, little olive ranch. Go ahead and saute those mushrooms. Always making sure you get that glove. That's what I'm talking about.
You know what I'm saying? Got them peppers and onions and everything. The mushrooms, gonna let that simmer down. Yeah.
Remember, y'all, this is real simple. Y'all can do this at home, okay? We obviously doing it at home, so you can do it at home.
All right, y'all. I see that thing getting really down. Look at my spatula. It messed my pan.
And remember, y'all saw this in my Vlogmas day 3.
I see it. You ready for that steak, baby? I know y'all wish y'all could cook like me. It's all good. Get that water out of that thing. Let it keep going. High. A little update on the chicken. You know what I'm saying? It's getting there. It's getting there. Not quite ready yet. It ain't flow. You know anything about cooking chicken? If it ain't flow, it ain't ready, baby. Come on, baby.
I'm glad you was frying this. This shows you how much I taught you.
That's fine. I should have used both of them first.
Too late now, huh? It's still frozen. This the set, y'all, again from on my Vlogmas that I got from my auntie, y'all. It's so cute. I love the gold, the black.
Ready?
Look at it. Now, I don't want no medium rare meat either. All right, just putting the other ones in here. Now I know it look burnt, but it's not burnt. It's just a seasoning. I'm gonna pull it up close because I know y'all like to play in the comments. This is not burnt. This is just from good seasoning. Okay. Okay, looking normal now. There's some color in there with the bell peppers and onions. Just like how I like it. It's giving Subway. It's giving Jersey Mike's. It's giving Firehouse. You ain't saying that. It better not be nasty. Y'all, my husband said he's gonna watch a movie with me tonight. I'm so happy. He never watches one with me.
I do, yeah. I'll listen to that.
You finna put that in the oven?
Nope.
Yeah, since he don't want to talk, he finna put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. The oven set for 350. Have it in the oven about a good 10 minutes.
I actually make I always ask you.
All right, y'all. Got the cheese melted. God, he always got to make a mess, y'all. If it ain't on the floor, it's on the cabinet. All right, we can get this up and throw it away. Okay. We're just about to make my plate next. All right, so I got my plate and a toddler in the background crying, but it's whatever. Looking good. That's enough meat. And just give me 3 wings. Just 3. 3 pretty wings. If I could take a drum. All right, so I got my wings. Y'all, I just wanted 3. I got my Philly cheese. Got my Stanley cup. Got some water in here.
Look.
All right, y'all, so got to start eating my food.
I need stock.
Custom made sauce by T. It's pretty good. I didn't film him making the sauce. I know he just used I know you used hot sauce. Did you use honey?
No, just sugar.
And sugar. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to end this vlog. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Again, remember, this is vlog number 5. And I'm still holding on strong, trying to go 30 days straight. So here we are, guys. All right, bye.